Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to schedule meeting in Gmail. We will start by opening Gmail and clicking on Compose there. In the email window, click on the three dots at the bottom and from Set up a time to meet, select Create an event. When the calendar loads, you will configure what you consider necessary in it: the name, time, status date, alarm, and some other aspects. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. When you define them, click Save. Now you can send your email with the scheduled meeting from Gmail. Click Send to complete this task. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.